So the first up that we have over here is the Apple AirPods Pro, the iOS phone control. Now they're specialized for active noise cancellation for immersed sounds, transparency mode for hearing and connecting with the world around you. Three sizes of soft taper silicone tips for a customizable fit. They are sweat and water resistant. Adaptive EQ automatically tunes music to the shape of your ear. Easy setup for all of your Apple devices, and you can get a quick access to Siri just by saying hi Siri. The wireless charging case delivers more than 24 hours of battery life. That is more than enough for a day. Next, we have the wireless headphones Bluetooth earbuds with charging case, noise cancellation, 3D stereo headphones. Now, these are Bluetooth 5.0 and automatic pairing. Bluetooth earbuds adopt the most advanced Bluetooth 5.0 technology, low latency, low power consumption, providing stable connection and signal transmission, which is 12 meters barrier-free range. Now, remove the two earbuds from the charging case. At the same time, the Bluetooth earbuds will automatically connect to each other and then automatically enter the pairing mode with the mobile phone, which perfectly matches the tablets, laptops, iOS, and Android smartphones. It has a long-lasting battery and mini charging case, which continuously playbacks the music for up to 5 hours per charge. The large capacity mini portable charging case can provide 4 times the full charge of earbuds. The long battery life provides excellent use experience that the power of the music earbuds can last up to 25 hours while charging on to go. 3D stereo and dual microphones. The Bluetooth earbuds have hi-fi sound quality, deep bass, and 3D surrounding sound. Combined with the groundbreaking noise reduction chipset, the unique noise reduction function will allow you to enjoy music without interference. What's more, you can also choose to use one earbud separately. IPX5 waterproof performance and ergonomic design can easily resist sweat and rain, which is definitely an ideal choice for gyms and most outdoor activities. The size of the earbuds fits the most people's ear, and the 45-degree inclination design is very ergonomic, so you won't feel tired even if you wear it for a very long time. Now, the products sold have an excellent after-sale protection, and we provided 365 days free warranty for each product as well. We told wireless earbuds Bluetooth headphones with USB-C Sport wireless charging case. Wireless charging case and one-step pairing. The charging case supports wireless charging and USB Type-C cable to charge. Now provides a convenient charging method without any additional conditions. Just remove the wireless earbuds from the charging case and the Bluetooth headphones will automatically turn on and pair with the phone. Lightweight and stereo sound. Features an ergonomic design. Wireless earplugs weighs only 4 grams and built-in microphones and has a clear, terrible and balanced bass. Experience music, movies and calls and more way. Digital screen and smart touch control helps charging. The case has a battery LED display so you can know when in the charging time for the charging case, which only displays the battery level for the charging case. You can use Bluetooth earphones to achieve volume, play the next previous song, answer reject calls and other functions. 30 Hz playback music. The Bluetooth earphones can be used for 6H playback only for 1.5 to 2 hours of charging is required. The mini portable charging case is a mobile power bank that can charge the headphones 3 to 4 times, which means it has a 24 hours of continuous playback time, so you have a total of 30 hours of usage time. Waterproof nano coating prevents water and sweat from penetrating and damaging. The wireless earbuds are designed for sweat, good for sports and physical activities inside the gym or outdoors. Up next is the JBL Tune 225 TVS True Wireless Earbud Headphones. JBL Pure Bass Sound, powering festivals and concerts around the world for decades. Now JBL brings you your own world to life with an incredible pure bass sound in these wireless earbuds. Wireless in style, experience total freedom with no cords with the true wireless JBL Tune earbuds. With 6 different colors, you will be able to find the perfect pair of earbuds to match exactly who you want. Up to 25 hours of battery life is provided. These earphones have enough battery to last all day and all night. Keep your own private concert going for as long as you can keep. It has a dual connect. The power of a dual connect gives you a choice to seamlessly enjoy music or make calls with either one or both buds, and the battery life keeps up with you as you can use one earbud charging while you can use the other one. Sleek charging case. The charging case for the JBL Tune wireless headphones is a thoughtfully designed as the earbuds it holds, with a shape inspired by river stone, a soft body and a curved lid that pops up to give you fast access to your buds. Wireless communication technology access is Bluetooth, and included components are Type-C USB charging cable and charging case. Last up is the Tozo T10 earbuds, which have a large speaker driver, delivers powerful bass, mellow mid-range, and clear treble, reproducing your music vividly. It features with the advanced Bluetooth 5.0 technology. Tozo T10 earbuds support HSP, HFP, which provides instant pairing and stable transmission without interruptions. It has a one-step pairing. Simply take two headsets out from the charging case and they will connect each other automatically, and then only one step easy. Enter mobile phone Bluetooth setting to pair the earbuds. It is waterproof. Earbuds and charging case inner nano coating makes it possible to waterproof for 1 meters deep for 30 minutes. Waterproof and sweatproof latest technology can effectively prevent from the damage of the splash by sweat and raindrops. Charge on to the go. Playtime lasts for over 6 hours from single charge and total 30 hours with charging case. Enjoy fast charging. To fully charge the rechargeable case, only 1.5 hours via the fast charge USB-C cable, or less than 2 hours via the wireless charger, providing convenient charging way with no strings attached. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.